This video explains how to temporarily suppress warnings using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data object, as you can see in line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new data object called x is appearing at the top right, and we can print this data object to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 3. And then you can see that we have created a vector object of character strings, and this character strings contains certain numbers. However, you can also see that some of these numbers are not formatted properly. So let's assume that we want to convert this vector object to the numeric class. Then we might apply the as.numeric function to this data object, as you can see in line 5 of the code. However, after running this line of code, you can see that the warning message "an ace introduced by coercion" is returned at the bottom in the console. So let's assume that we are not interested in this warning message and that we want to avoid that this warning message is shown in the console. Then we can temporarily suppress this warning message using the suppressWarnings function. So all I'm doing in line 7 is that I'm wrapping the suppressWarnings function around our previous syntax. So after running line 7 of the code, you can see at the bottom that the same output as in the previous line of code is returned. However, you can also see that the warning message "an ace introduced by coercion" is not returned anymore. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.